please add to the list of the things the survey form too, so we can post that in that same group, and you can then have a look and track the updated survey. I think we're rushing, this is now 1 o'clock, but if we could just have 3 people to reflect on what the day has meant to me. Anything you'd like to say, just short, brief, concise, just so we can get to some closure. We don't all have time to check out, but if we just have 3 checkouts, maybe that will just help us to own something that somebody else has said. Maybe it doesn't have to be an affirmative checkout, maybe an anxious one, but whatever you like to do. Just 3. One of the practices we hear.
I just have 2 very concrete things I want to say. One, I am going to use the platform, the network, to upload information about the book donation we get in January, which is hundreds of thousands of books, and I need schools and organizations to please help me for distribution. So I need you guys to check But last year we sat with hundreds of thousands of books in a warehouse, and we had to now physically come and distribute them. So I would need you on there and sign up for if you want books. Second, we are focusing on specializing on psychosocial support, especially with regards to HIV and Blossom Grief, and I know the need is great. So in another meeting, another platform I've mentioned before, what I would do is put together a trauma intervention manual for people who don't usually work in this field. I have done that, and I will also upload that in a very short time. So please go check those platforms for these guys. Thanks.
The first checkout was used as number 11, which is great. 2 more checkouts. Maybe just reflecting on anything that you're going to take away, any sense you have of value.
I think trying to just reflect. I think again, like many of these things, I just sense a huge degree of complexity. A lot of people with incredible organizations, a lot of track record and history. And so the anxiety in me is, how do you kind of embrace this? So it's just that there is so much, and it's obviously all needed. Look at the grade school with all the different interventions. How do you do that? So there's that side, which is just, again, I think every time. So, but I think the thing that needs to come through this, we have to work through the process. So I feel my reflection is, despite that confusion and complexity, understanding the competitive nature of it, there's got to be a commitment around these people to work towards resolving those issues. Because it's quite easy at this stage for me just to eject and say, well, let bridge carry on, and with whoever wants to do that. So I think there is a commitment needed, and that's kind of what I feel, for whatever reason, I think it's important that we do commit to doing it. So that's just where I'm at.
I just want to say that from our perspective, in terms of what Alex was talking about, in terms of the coming together and working together to achieve our common goal, I think this, us as leaders of these NGOs, we will show our true colors when we can actually do that. And not sit on one side and say, it's our school, it's our project, we own it. Rather say, how do we reach the goal of supporting community, children, learning and education as a whole?
Then, good one to end on. Maybe one of the things that you'd like to use that group for is to, rather than us ask the question with a yes or no, if you think there is a purpose to convening a similar meeting to this one, to follow up in, say, 3 months' time, 4 months' time, and you'd like to claim that, make that kind of suggestion, then we can respond to that. We could survey that, and there's an obligation to say yes, or not an obligation, convenience to saying yes. So if you really think there is some action that we haven't thought of, that you're driving home, we're at home, just throw the proposal so that we can field it, share it, and get feedback.